Hey, this is Kerry Wozniak, CEO of TruAudio, and it's my privilege to talk about the newest addition to the TruAudio speaker lineup, the WP-8. Some of you may remember in the past we have had a WP in the lineup, but this is a complete refreshed version of this, and we're going to talk about some of the cool things that we've added to this WP-8. We will have a WP-6 that will be coming shortly behind this, but let's talk a little bit about the WP-8 and some of the changes that we've made. Going into this design, obviously there were three main things that we always focus on, and that is performance. We want to make sure this speaker meets our level of standard in audio performance, but we also want it to look good when it's installed. That's important to every homeowner and designer out there. But we also want it to be easy to install, and I think that we've really hit a good balance with the WP-8 in all those areas. So let's talk about some of the features that we've changed regarding the performance. You'll notice here we have a 1-inch soft silk dome tweeter, which is very smooth and not very harsh, so it's going to work with a lot of environments. And also we have an 8-inch poly woofer, which produces a lot of low end. So that's very good for, home theater applications, but also is a great speaker if you're just doing a stereo installation and maybe in-ceilings aren't going to work for your customer. They want to use some in-walls. This is a great solution. The other part of this is, we've gone to a ghost style grill. Our previous WP-8 and our IWP-8 did not have that feature, so we wanted to look good. We wanted it to look like the rest of our speakers and what we're known for is our ghost style. A couple things you'll notice here, these little foam pads, those were included just to prevent any type of buzzing or rattling that you'd get with listening to the speaker at high levels. The other part of this is the install. We've been working with our TruGrip, adding it to a lot of our in-ceiling speakers. This is our toolless version, which we feel is one of the best, if not the best, toolless out there, because it really is a two-stage toolless install. The first lever, as you pull this lever in, that releases the dog ear from the spring and attaches it to the wall. And then the second stage is now you're using the ratcheting system. And there's actually threads inside there that you can ratchet this and tighten it up against the wall and alleviate any gaps that would be around the speaker. But also those threads do is takes the pressure off the spring. So all the weight of the speaker isn't sitting on that spring, and over time it won't sag on you. So that is one cool feature, looking out for the installers, trying to make it easier to install. So we feel like the WP-8 is a very versatile speaker, can work in a number of installations. But if you want to know more about the specs of the speaker, go check it out at TruAudio.com.